Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you choose category on Haku SaraMart app. If you want to choose category on Hacoo app, you could follow the steps. Before that, let's go ahead and update our application. So go to the Play Store and on the search box type in Haku SaraMart and check for an update. So after you click on the update button, then click the open button. Now that I have actually not created my account, so let's begin by creating an account. So let's go ahead and select the gender and then your date of birth, all of that, and click on the confirm button. After which, go ahead and click on the profile, and you could see my profile has been created. So I can go ahead and click on the login button, or I can just go ahead and click on the continue with Google. So I'm just gonna do with this, or continue with my Google account. Now select the Google account that you want to go ahead and create your account with. Now click the continue button and then you'll have successfully logged into your account after enabling all of these permissions. Once you're logged into your account, that will take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. If you want to choose the category on the Haku app, you could see at the top there is a search bar too. So here you could go ahead and simply type in the asset or the item that you're looking for. Now like for example, you could go and type in on shoes, and then you could find a list of items as well. Now likewise, if you go ahead and then you could see at the bottom of the search bar there are a list of tabs. You could go ahead and look for the category as well. Now this is also considered to be one of the categories, so you could go ahead and find out about it as well. Now apart from it, if you go to the profile, you could also find a lot of information like post, saved, liked, viewed, all that. These are also your categories. But then if you want to go to the home page, go and click on the home page, and if you want to look for an item, then you could just tap on the search bar, or you could also take a photo of your item, and then you could find out the familiar items as that. So this is the way you could go ahead and choose category on the Haku SaraMart app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.